Today we're outside the Boca Raton Brightline train station, and we're going to be doing experience from Boca Raton to Miami today. I'm going to give you guys that experience, and it's great. Brightline just opened up its inaugural leg to Orlando, and which is a gigantic step up for the commute system in South Florida. I'm not going to Orlando today, but I'm going to give you an experience from the Boca Raton rail station to Miami. I just got through the security and I'm heading towards the train rail. This is great. It's nice in here.
I like the vibes already. Could not record at the security checkpoint, but basically it was a body scan. I had to put my bag through an x-ray machine. Actually, the whole process was seamless. Here we have a work area, electrical access for your laptops. I even got some work done while waiting for the train. Okay, the train's right here, right on time, and they're ready to board. So Brightline is the first privately funded rail in the US in over 100 years, and it starts right here in South Florida. As of now, the rail stations are Miami, Aventura, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, West Palm Beach, and Orlando International Airport. This is just what Florida needs, so plan your trips and visit cities along the east coast of Florida. And even meet friendly commuters along the way, like Shannon here.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Alan. I'm heading down to Miami.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Big day today.
Yeah, just an experience to show the ride from Boca to Miami.
Go for it.
Yeah.
This morning I downloaded the app and booked my seat. The process was seamless. Got it done in 5 minutes. Pretty cool, huh? I had the option of the Smart and the Premium. Got the less expensive Smart for my trip down to Miami, and I'm booked on the Premium on my return, so stay with me for the Premium experience. After boarding, one of the first things I noticed on the seats, they were all leather upholstery. I'll give you a rundown on the seats later. First, let's hear it from one of Brightline regulars. I'm here with Shannon, as you saw earlier, and she's a regular on this route.
So I'm here on the Brightline rail. We're heading down to Miami, and I'm here with Shannon, one of the commuters on the train. And so Shannon, what's your experience in the past on Brightline train?
I've had a really good experience on the Brightline. It is much better, much cleaner, better service, better amenities than any train I've been on in the States anyway.
In the States.
The ones in New York that I'm accustomed to are the Amtrak.
Right.
So that is not nearly as easy to manage. They have a really good app. I would just say overall, they make it very easy, and there's packages for every month.
Yeah.
If you want to make like a couple trips a month, it's cheaper.
It kind of reminds me of like Europe.
Yeah.
The train, the ease of getting on, the app, it's so much easier.
Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the safety and emergency exit information booklet located in the seat back pocket in front of you. Thank you for choosing Brightline and enjoy the ride.
So let me go over some of the features. We have a phone rest in front here where you can put your phone. Of course, you've got the normal safety brochure. We have the menu for onboard snacks. So they have a full menu with beverages, they got premium wine, cocktails, so you got some plugs so you can plug in electrical, your computer on the floor here. There's a handrest. Pretty neat. And you got sufficient leg room here. Yeah, I can get comfortable in the seat here and stretch out. So I just logged on to the Wi-Fi and we're getting about 53 megabytes per second. Pretty good.
We are almost there. You know when you are in Miami when you start seeing colorful graffiti on the building walls as the train arrives.
Welcome to Miami. Thank you for riding Brightline. Have a bright day.
As the train pulled into the station, I noticed the rails were elevated above the street level.
So we arrived in Miami and it's starting to rain. Hopefully we can get some sun.
Wow, this is much larger than I expected. I'm on the second floor heading down to the street level.
So this is the front of the Miami Brightline station. And right here we have the area code, 305 area code for Miami. And we have the kiosk right over here where you can purchase your tickets.
So I'm going to do a little roaming around downtown Miami before I head back to Boca Raton. I'll put that video up on my channel at a later date. So here's a sneak preview.
Changed it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say. Yeah, I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
So that video will be coming out soon. Gotta say, I miss Miami. Okay, let's do the return trip. So we have a nice juice bar in the lobby here. Guest services over here. You can book transportation to the top shopping malls, airport, as well as shipping ports right here. Okay, the lounge is upstairs. Also restaurants.
So I got the premium ticket to go back to Boca Raton, and I'm gonna take a bite and chill out in the premium lounge. So let's see if this works. I'm gonna scan the code. There you go, and it worked. We got a nice spread here with some really nice goodies.
So over here we have the drink section. I guess they have beer, wine, water, and a fridge down here with some sodas. So with the premium ticket, you have the premium lounge available to you with all sorts of goodies to eat and drink and a place to relax. There's areas where you can use your computer to plug in your laptop. So it's pretty neat. On the train, you also get complimentary wine, beer, and other snacks. So I think it's worth it, and you can hang out in the lounge, the premium lounge. Just scan your barcode, touchless, it's seamless, great service. So my seat's in coach 1, so I'm heading down to coach 1. We're walking through each of the coaches. So this is coach 2. This is neat. They got seats, luggage carrying up on the top where you can place your luggage. This is coach 1, and I'm trying to find my seat right now. So it's about 2:41 and we just started to move, so I'm hoping to be in Boca probably by 3:30, hoping. Like with most Floridians, cars are the primary form of transportation, and for obvious reasons. In fact, Florida has the second most automobile registrations in the US after California. That's a lot of cars. And the more roads are built, the more cars will come. Maybe this is the solution, investing in a robust rail network that is commuter friendly. Anyways, we're coming to the end of this trip. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the experience. I think it was seamless. I think it was enjoyable. But yeah, drop me a line and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.